What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, Painted Imagination. In this video, I will be transforming into Billy from the movie Hocus Pocus, one of my favorite Halloween movies. It's a classic, gotta see it. It's an oldie, but a goodie. And so I hope you enjoy this. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, consider subscribing to see all my transformations and all that I create. All right, so let's get started. Enjoy. Hey guys, alright, so today I'm using Mayron's Cream Blend colors Ivory Bisque and White. I mixed them together and then put that all over my face. Then I moved on to the Chestnut Brown Cream color and a small brush to map out all my lines and also fill in all the dark areas like the eye sockets. And he also has these lines coming towards his mouth on the top and bottom, and to make it a sunken in look, so I made sure to darken in the cheekbones, the temples, and the eye sockets, and of course the stitches on his lips. And now I'm just going to blend those lines in with a fluffier brush. Now I'm taking my Star Blends White and just placing it all over the face, and my Chocolate Brown eyeshadow from Elisa Griffith's palette and placing it into all those crevices. And then I'm going to deepen it up with a black shadow. I added a lot of lines, little lines coming out of each part of the face with my brown shadow, and now I'm doing the stitches across the lips. His mouth was sewn shut, and that's what I'm trying to recreate here. And then I'm going to take that same black, this is Wolf Black watercolor, and I'm just going to outline these lines and then blend them in. Now you will see me take the DFX white watercolor and place it right next to all those dark lines to really bring them out. Okay, now I'm putting on the wig. I got this wig from Party City. It's called Dark Side Wig, and it worked out really good for this look. I put it in a ponytail in the back and then adjusted the hairs. And now I'm just having fun recreating the scene where he cuts his mouth open, and that was it. Alright, so I love this. It was a lot of fun to do, and this is my favorite, one of my favorite Halloween movies, classic Hocus Pocus. Alright, so this is my Billy. Look. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.